Hi everybody. Now I'm a big fan of a lady called Evelyn Hollow. She's a parapsychologist, but she's also been on lots of TV programmes, Uncanny and loads of other programmes about haunted places and folklore. And I'm a very big fan of hers. Her aesthetic is very like mine, only I'm about 20 years older than her. Maybe when she's 20 years older than me, this is what she'll look like. If you're watching Evelyn, this is what you'll look like. I'm not saying by any means that I'm as beautiful as Evelyn Hollow, but that's what I aspire to be. Her whole look, her whole way she dresses, the way that she does her makeup, the way that she does her hair, I absolutely love it. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial in the style of Evelyn Hollow. So here she is here. Now let's see how we get on. So she has a very pale face, so I've already put my base on. The base that I've used is this one, which is Miracle Pure Skin Reset. And that is the one in the lightest colour, but you'd have to get the one that matches the shade of your skin. I like this because it's foundation mixed with serum. It goes on really nicely. Doesn't feel heavy on the skin, feels nice and soft. So the next thing I'm going to do now is add the eyeshadow. Now she wears brown eyeshadow just on the lids. So I've just got one of these little foam things here for putting your eyeshadow on with, which I bought from Home Bargains really cheaply. And so here is my mirror with my brown eyeshadows, which are number 17. There's a collection of brown eyeshadows going in with a very light brown one there. I'm going to use that one and just go on the eyelids. There we go, there's one. There's the other. So now you can see that I've done brown eyeshadow on the eyelids. Now she also does thick eyeliner on the lid of her eyes, and it goes up into a wing. She doesn't do anything on the inner corner. And then she does a little bit underneath on the outer corner. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Can you see? And then you flick up. You use the same angle as the bottom eyelid to go up. So imagine that your bottom eyelid is carrying on. Go up like that. Can you see that? Now marry it up with the bottom eyelid. And then fill it in. Right? And then you can thicken the line on the top if you want to. And then fill it in. So what I'm using for this one, this is like a liquid eyeliner pen. It's very easy to use. So now we're going to do the other one. a thick line on the top of the eyelid, and then the flick up with the same angle as the bottom eyelid. There we go. Then we're going to do the bottom eyelid up to that one. And then you can thicken that one and join it up. One eye is always worse than the other one to do as makeup. Because if you're right-handed, this one will be better, and if you're left-handed, this one will be better. But it comes along with practice, you just need to try it. There you go. Now I'm going to use this mascara, which is Oh So Waterproof number 7 mascara. I'm actually getting to the end of this now. I need to buy a new one soon. And it's black mascara. And I'm going to do the bottom lashes first. Because on Evelyn Hollow, her bottom lashes are more pronounced than the top lashes. But I'm going to go that way, not that way. Right, this way. Right, and then again on the other eye. And then we're going to do the top lashes. The same, do it this way, not this. Do it this way first, then that way. And now this way. Now I'm going to do the lips, and for that I have this very dark red lipstick. Evelyn Hollow uses a lipstick which is almost brown, like very burgundy coloured, and I haven't been able to find it. This is the closest I can get, and this is like a liquid lipstick, and it goes onto your lips like glue, and it will not come off. Well, it will if you rub makeup remover into it, but I mean it won't come off while you're eating and drinking. So I'm just going to go in the inner lip first, like that. And then next time you go on the outer lip, you don't want too much on the end of it because it will go everywhere. So now I'm going to go here. I'm going to go slightly out of the line of my lips. There you go, that's one side. And then I'm going to fill it in. So there's the top. There we go. Now, I don't usually wear blusher because I just don't think it suits me, but Evelyn Hollow does. So that is what we're going to put on. And I'm going to match up the brown eyeshadow with the brownish lips and use this bronzing powder rather than blusher because it looks better on a goth. Cheeks, and just a little bit just there. You don't have to go mad with the blusher. And then if you want, there's no law against using your hand when you're doing makeup. Just go like this, just to smooth it in. So there we go. There is the Evelyn Hollow makeup tutorial. Now, I have seen the way that she does her hair, and she has very curly hair, which I haven't. But she goes like, she sprays it and then does a lot of this with the hairdryer. So let's see what happens. Ooh, right. And then she tips her head right forwards. Smooths all her hair out like that and then goes back. There we go. Oh, I got caught up in my lights. There's a bit more body in it now. So that was the Evelyn Hollow makeup tutorial. I am going to leave a links in the description to her website and her Instagram. Please go and have a look. And also I'm going to be doing a book review of her book, The Atlas of Paranormal Places. Stick with me and this will be on there as well. Last night I did a lot of research about Evelyn Hollow and I wrote out in my notebook loads of things about her. So I'm going to read it out to you. Evelyn Hollow is a Scottish writer and paranormal psychologist. She has written numerous podcasts, books, columns and dark history interest things. She teaches writing classes at lots of different events. Her first book, The Atlas of Paranormal Places, was published worldwide in September 2024. Evelyn talks on paranormal history and folklore television programs. She also appears in Uncanny TV show and live show with Danny Robbins. Evelyn has a very striking face and her makeup is always looks flawless. If you're watching, please like it, please, Evelyn. I would be really happy if you did. And thank you for watching.